Hello, everyone. Happy Virtual Friday. Isn't it great to be at home doing your schoolwork virtually rather than being in the building today? I bet it is. So make sure you do your work. Maybe those virtual days will continue long into the future. Well, let me show you what we're doing today for American culture. You know, we have been studying the Civil War, and well, we're doing a little bit of a Civil War twist on Christmas today. And well, it's going to be kind of sad because war is terrible. No matter the cause of the war, the reasons for the war, how the war, all of it, it's all terrible. So what you're going to do today, unfortunately, is see a little bit of the terrible side of war separating families at Christmas time. You'll see an image from a magazine called Harper's Weekly. It was kind of the #1 magazine of the time in the Civil War. And so what I'd like you to do is you're going to go to today's Canvas. Here we are, Friday, December 22nd, Virtual History Day. I would like you to do two things. You're going to open this image from Harper's Weekly, and we're going to use some skills that we've learned many times in our class, observing and interpreting. So when we open this document, you are going to see a document from Harper's Weekly magazine. I'll go ahead and make this full screen so you can see it a little better. And you'll see that it's a document that was published in Harper's Weekly magazine during the Civil War. It's entitled Christmas Eve. Has a couple different scenes, a scene at home, a scene in a military camp. Has in each corner some other images going on. And, well, what you're going to do is show me that you have the skills of observing and interpreting. Now, let me go back a stage. So you see that image. And then you're going to go into Canvas again, and where it says, oops, went too far back. We're on Friday the 22nd. There we go. You're going to use this document to record your interpretation. So when you open this, there you go. What you'll see is a Google Doc where you're going to list at least 8 things you see. You're practicing or showing me the demonstrating the observation part. You're going to at least 8 items you see in the Harper's image. That could be anything like, what's in either of those images. You could tell me, what you see happening, what you see going on. Could be action, could be an object, could be a person. All right, so you're recording those things. You got to do at least 8 of them to get credit, and you want to keep going if you want to impress me, because, you want to impress me, right? Keep going. You can list a lot more things. What do you see? What are the objects, the people, the action, the things going on in that image? And then in your own words, go ahead and tell me, what's the artist telling us? What's the story? What's your interpretation? What is the artist trying to tell us about a family's situation at Christmas time during the Civil War? You want use at least 20 words, a good sentence or two, and that is our work for today. All right, observing and interpreting, skills that are really important in studying social studies. See you all after break. If you are in the Period 5 class, remember we go to Gettysburg on January 3rd, first day you're back from break. Please bring your own lunch because the cafeteria can't feed us that day. And also please dress warm. All right, we'll see you on January 3rd.